In this lesson, we will learn to insert or add new entity instances to our data store using the save method on our Spring Data repositories. To get started, we're going to build a new book entity instance. So I'm just going to create a new book using the noArgument constructor, and then we'll set the title on the book. We'll set its page count as well as its price and its publish date. We'll import those types, and then we'll simply use our repository and its save method to insert our book into our data store. So with that code in place, we will run our application, and if we check out our console, we see that our new book has been inserted. Pretty simple, we've seen this before. But what we haven't seen is that our repository is capable of persisting multiple books at a time. So what I have done is I have built out a book utility class that is capable of building multiple books. So we're going to create a list of books, and to instantiate all those books, I'm going to use this book util class. And we can invoke its create method and specify how many books we would like to have returned within a list. So there we have declared a list of books, and there will be 5 books within the list. And using the overloaded save method on our repository, we're able to provide multiple entities to be persisted at a single point in time. So if I save our application, I'm just going to run the application. And if we take a look at our console output, we see that the 5 books within our collection were persisted to our data store. So that's just another angle that you can use with your repositories when persisting new entity instances. One thing that you should be aware of is that Spring Data determines that an entity instance is new by looking at the ID field on the entity. So in this instance, Spring Data saw that our books did not have IDs, and therefore it determined to insert our entities as opposed to performing something like an update.